Some stunning beach, spalted beach today. First time cutting beach, and it looks awesome. Super nice. Plenty more to go. With a bit of a whoopsie. The beast. MS660.